Ooh, is that traction? A little bit slow.
Is that just a fan? Oh.
That took freaking forever.
Whoa.
Nouveau.
Well,
Now let's listen to this thing.
how fast are we moving?
I don't know, but it's a rocket.
Feels like a closet.
I think it's weird. It's 121 Broadhollow Road, I think.
This is gonna take forever.
Oh wow, we're here. I can barely feel it.
Jeez. Wait,
What?
wait, listen.
Be like. Alright. The basement. Let's see how long it takes to get to the top.
This may hold a record for one of the slowest elevators I've ever ridden.
Same.
Ridden.
A hydraulic can go faster than this.
Is it?
I'm already
Is it
2 minutes
hydraulic?
into my recording. We just passed one.
Bruh.
Let's get a good look at these fixtures.
I'm gonna sit down for this one.
Jay. Nouveau is a sitting Ethan because he's so bored of how slow this thing is. This is the slowest elevator on the face of the earth. We are still not there yet.
Oh my god. This is no fan.
Oh, here we are.
What the fluff was
Ding! We're here!
that? It's just a door.
Can we go down the basement?
Oh boy. No! Alright, I'm taking another seat for this one.
250. I'm gonna count, see how long it takes.
Oh, you're gonna waste all my recording time.
This is like one of the last buildings anyway.
Freak.
This thing is going so fast, I'm sweating.
Please help.
Let's get a cab view.
James is gonna kill me. This thing is also really bouncy.
You know, I'm gonna sit down too. We have.
We're gonna be in here for a while.
This thing is so funny.
Why?
I think this is bottom drift traction.
Yeah. You might be right.
Yes, we're here. Alright, we'll go up to one now. That took almost a minute.
I'm trying to find a way to see out the door, but there's no way.
Yeah, you got GAL, you got your GAL JetPlus VR fixtures, put in by Nouveau, which is strange. I've never seen a Nouveau with these fixtures before.
Emergency phone number.
Oh, there's a phone right there.
Phone.
And we will be there eventually.
Oh.
There's a mirror.
What? Where are
We're
we?
here. Yes, we can.
Let me out of this thing.
Yes, we can leave.
40 minutes.
4.5 minutes. This thing is so funny. Even the door timer is so slow.
Soon.
Everything about this elevator is just a turtle.
Blows you dumb.
Super slow elevator.
Okay, well that's it.
Let me get the thumbnail.
Fucking sucks.
That elevator.
Why are you torturing me like that?
Alright. That was the slowest elevator I've ever seen. That's it.